This tutorial shows you how to add real-time weather information to your digital Signage screens using SignageTube live in PowerPoint. You will learn to configure locations, display settings, and run a slideshow with automatic weather updates. Adding weather information to digital signage screens and information screens is great because they grab attention. People always want to know the latest weather, so let me show you how you can use SignageTube Live, which is a plugin for PowerPoint, to display real-time weather information. You can run the slideshow and the weather information will update automatically without updating manually. We are using SignageTube Live for this. First of all, I click Connections. I click Weather and then Add. I add New York, US as the location. Fahrenheit in English is fine. I change to icon set 5 for the animated GIFs and click OK. Get in all the information. First of all, give this a good name and click OK. Then I select a text box and I click SignageTube text box. And here I switch to display the weather, the temperature 74, and I click OK. Click here. Then I select this one. Then I click the text box and assign this to the today temperature maximum. That's the maximum. Then the same for the minimum temperature for today. And then I want to display here the weather text, clear sky, and the icon for clear sky. So I selected the picture, click the signage to picture, and link this to the weather icon. Where you see this then, we do the same here for picture. Now I scroll down because this is the forecast for tomorrow, day +1. Weather icon, that's the weather icon I want to use here then. Click text. I click day 1 temperature max, day 1 temperature minute. Click OK. And here at the top, I want to put today +1 day, Friday, like this. I can complete the other 4 forecast days, but when I'm finished, click Slideshow. Then I start the slideshow. And you see the animated GIFs running and the information is updated in real time whenever it is detected. You have successfully configured real-time weather information in your PowerPoint presentation using SignageTube Live. The slideshow now displays animated weather updates automatically, enhancing your digital signage with dynamic content.